keep on thinking I should be free. This time just sleeping alone, with 17 reasons not to believe. Nothing goes, everybody knows, like you always wanted to be. But here in my heart there's a dream that's unbroken, and it gets in my way, but it won't be denied. Here in my heart, the door is still open, waiting for you to walk into my